This is our first time eating sort of solid food. She'll figure it out. Oh, now there goes Miss Lime climbing right in. Try to grab Blue and move him over.
What?
Can you grab Blue and move him over? He's going right over everybody. There you go, buddy. Oh, go puppies. Go puppies. Look at you go. Look at Mr. Green. Go, buddy. Little boy. There you go, buddy. Wow. Come on in. Wow. Little Miss Lime's just like stepping up there, too. Look at that little pond. Pretty good. Yeah, we're going to need a bath. Oh, he's got to go puppies. Look at you go. Blue likes the speed in it. Oh, Blue and Lime. Now, come on. See, let's get this little footy out. Let's get the footy out. There we go. Oh, go puppies. Boy, oh boy. I think they were ready.
I'm not quite sure what to do.
Well, Pink's going to figure it out.
I'll look it up at everybody else.
Right. Come on, try it, little Miss Pink. There you go, little girl. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. There you go. Oh, go puppy. Go puppy. That's the idea. I think Green has more on him than he's gotten in him. No, Miss Pink's going to give everybody else a bath. I think they're kind of liking this. Oh, see, it's pretty yummy, huh? There, Pink's going in. There she goes.
There we go. Yeah.
Oh, now Mr. Green's got to groom himself. Hear him lapping?
What?
Hear the lapping? Hey. You could turn the tray a little bit. Maybe. There you go. His little goose. There you go, little Miss Green. Oh, what a shake. I think they're figuring it out. I think we're going to have messy puppies. That's okay. Ken will clean them up. The Sky's got her feet on the action now, too. They must all think there's a pile right there. I'm going. Look at that foot. Right in now. Boy, does Kenya want to come in. I think they like it. Oh, and now little Miss Orange and little Miss Yellow are chewing on the edge of the bowl.